Poco F7 Ultra, the hype is real. Hey guys, Tech Burner here. Today, bat karanga Poco F7 Ultra ke baramine. The Poco F7 Ultra is the latest phone from Poco, and let me tell you, it's creating quite a buzz. Everyone's talking about its impressive specs and features, but is it really worth all the hype? Let's find out. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Poco F7 Ultra's design, performance, camera, battery life, and of course the price. We'll also compare it to other phones in the same price range to see how it stacks up, so buckle up and let's get started. The Poco F7 Ultra looks and feels fantastic in hand. The phone has a sleek and modern design with a premium glass back. The phone is also quite slim and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The display is a large 6.9-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means that everything looks super smooth and fluid, whether you're scrolling through social media or playing games. Under the hood, the Poco F7 Ultra is powered by the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. This phone can handle anything you throw at it, from demanding games to heavy multitasking. With up to 12 GB of RAM, you can switch between multiple apps seamlessly without any lag or stutter. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, the Poco F7 Ultra delivers blazing fast performance. The Poco F7 Ultra boasts an impressive camera setup that captures stunning photos and videos. The main camera is a 64-megapixel sensor that takes sharp and detailed images, even in low-light conditions. The battery life is also excellent thanks to the large 5000 mAh battery. You can easily get through a full day of use on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the 67-watt fast charging will juice up your phone in no time.